Hello, today we will guide you through how to change profile picture on Whop. If you want to refresh your account and give your profile a more updated look, changing your profile picture on Whop is a quick process. In this walkthrough, we'll take it one step at a time so it's easy to follow along. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is where you'll start before accessing your account settings. Once the page is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile account icon there. Click on it to open the account menu. When the menu appears, select View Profile. This will take you to your public-facing profile page where you can review how your account appears. From there, look for the Edit Profile option and click it. This opens the Profile Settings area where you can make changes to your personal details, including your profile image. Once you're in the Profile Settings section, click directly on the current profile picture. This is the area used to update or replace your image. After clicking it, a file browser window should appear on your device. Now browse for the picture you want to use. Take a moment to choose an image that is clear and appropriate for your profile. A square or centered photo often works best, since profile pictures are usually displayed in smaller sizes across the platform. As you browse, select the sample picture or the image file you want to upload. After choosing the image, click Open to confirm your selection and apply the change. This action uploads the new picture and updates your profile photo on Whop. If the image does not appear right away, give it a few moments to load or refresh the page. In some cases, a slower connection can cause a short delay before the new picture is visible. It's also a good idea to double check that you selected the correct file before closing the window. And that's all it takes to change your profile picture on Whop. Starting from the home page, you open your account menu, go to your profile, choose Edit Profile, click the profile picture, browse for your image, and click Open to complete the update. Thanks for following along. You should now have your new profile picture set and ready to display on your Whop account.